Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change lock method on Trust Wallet. So if you want to change your lock method, or you want to change how you want the app to bring the lock method for you, maybe you want only the fingerprint, you want Face ID, or you want only passcode, here's how I can get it done. The first thing you have to do is tap and open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Then you input your PIN passcode, if it is to Face ID or the fingerprint option that you set for lock. Then you apply it. Then once you apply it, then you have something like this, which is the home of the Trust Wallet, together with a sort of form of cryptocurrency. Then from there you tap on the security button. Then from there you scroll down a little, then you tap on security. The security option is under preferences. Then you tap on security. Then same time you verify your passcode or your Face ID or your fingerprint. So I'm just going to verify my passcode right now. Okay, good. Then from here I can now set the lock method for my Trust Wallet. So I'm just going to tap on the option under auto lock, which is lock method. I'm just going to tap on it. Then from here you can see I have two options. The first option is passcode / Face ID, which is if your Face ID is enabled on your phone. So instead of going for the passcode, you just simply go for the Face ID. And if you don't have the Face ID option, just ordinary the lock, you can just simply tap on the lock. Then on the passcode, then you should input your passcode. But if your passcode is not enabled on your iPhone or any other gadget that you are using to log in, then it will automatically request for your passcode. And that's how to change lock method on Trust Wallet. If you find the video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.